welcome to Manila Ocean Park or Fun Virtual with me, Trainer April. So here's an outfit that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So where do you want me to put the subject? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now child, left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Scientific name, Kakatuwang Kalagita. They inhabit in open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes, let's say, you can do it, Dazzle. Go, Dazzle. And she found it! And I'll pass for Dazzle with greater shot. Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. One of them is meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, huh? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, a beautiful pair of green-winged macaw. And today, they will battle it out who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Now the girls that will hear say, Sassy, Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Now the boys that will hear say, Rocky, Rocky. Okay, friends, ready? Players ready, set, go! Here's Shaka on his first ball. Now we're going to play Sassy. I'm going to work on Rocky. Okay, and it's a tie for the last ball. Rocky wins! What a close game. What can you say about the Trainer Jerry? Do you guys do this time?
Hold it, I want another race.
Oh, he wants another race, Trainer JP?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to listen? This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win. So what race do you have in mind?
A one-time race.
So what is the ring race?
The first bird shall drop trains into the pond passes the winner. That is the ring race.
So, our ring race each shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again. This time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Come on, Sassy. Here's Rocky on his first ring. Here's Sassy. Oh, what's happening? Sassy pick up the 3 rings at the same time. How far is that? There it is! Sassy. What can you say about the Trainer JP? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys, see that?
Oh, we need to cheer. Sassy is so ready.
Oh, so it's true that girls have more talent than boys? I'm going to pass for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer JP and Trainer Jerry. Parents are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. Here's Sassy, our green-winged macaw. She's going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the ship back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, green-winged macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. Go Sassy. They can grow up to 92 cm in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last shade, go Sassy. Very cool, intelligent, right? And of course for Sassy, the Trainer Jerry. Now guys, who loves man? Everyone here knows the issue, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do that? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be needing 2 numbers between 1 to 50. So any number between 1 to 50? Any number? Okay, so first number will be number 9. How about the second number? Okay, so the second number will be number 20. So the equation is 9 plus 20. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. The hybrid pa po, Rocky. So the equation is 9 plus 20. Let's see if Rocky can do this. David, is Rocky ready? Okay, go Rocky, solve the equation for us. Come on Rocky, 9 plus 20. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? After the second number, Rocky? Well, Rocky loves numbers. Come on, Rocky. And Rocky gets the number 9. So, 9 plus 20 is equal to 29. Put your hands together for high. Good luck, Rocky with Trainer Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect danger in flight. So here's an example of their amazing flying ability. Meet these birds in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Long China, and including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawin or Badlog in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an early homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. Around us are our guys and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in landed here as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's the Lucky Bird once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal. Go, Rocky. See? If our Lucky Birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action and save them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present the birds and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer Sean with speed. Trainer Sean with shadow. Trainer David with Rocky. And again, I'm Trainer Edith. Thank you and goodbye. By the way guys, please remain on your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Once again, please remain on your seat and do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
Bailo! Rinbon!
Wow, what a beautiful effort! By the way, I'm Trainer Rochelle, and I'd like you to meet my friends, together with your trainers one at a time. On your left side is one of the eldest female South American sea lions that we have, and she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis, together with Trainer JB. Say hi! And on the other side is one of the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here, and that's make her the sexiest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra, together with Trainer Jerry. Say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why are they called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their brown flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term fitted bats may also be translated as sweet-footed, since their flippers feel like song-like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right, ladies? And you know, they exit these natives as seals because they move very much alike. But something breaks them between a seal and a seal type. It's the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for Sandra and friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Nice smile. And they can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from rain to water. And their small external ears give them a sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but not color vision. In the web, they inhabit waters close to shores, ground rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities and can easily scale rocket cliffs. Check this out. Wow. Shows from here. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Isis, the prettiest. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are still wrenched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders or steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Isis, Trainer JB. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst up to, ready? 205 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That's so fast. Come on, guys. Another round of applause for Sandra. Good job, Sandra. And another one, she's asking for it. Here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold the breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy diver would be of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're top recognizable by underwater magnets. Ladies, trainers, are you ready? Well, that's salute. Now let's march. Ready, guys? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute. This time, could you please join your sea lions in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute, and let's make this one loud. People on the crowd, are you ready? Come on, guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Now let's go. 1, 2, 3. from the water. Let's go, guys. Okay, let's first their rings. Go ahead and get the rings, ladies. And I got it. A round of applause for Isis and Sandra. Great job, ladies. And another one, they asked me for it. Okay. So what's next? The ball. How did they take down the ball? It's a ball balance. Come on, ladies, almost there. Careful. Teddy, fantastic. Another round of applause for Sinai friends. Wow, excellent work, ladies. Okay, I think we got everything. The ball in the ring, the ring in the ball. Now let's move on. You know what, guys? Here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 5 South American sea lions consisting of Trainer Jerry, Sandra's W. What does she want? Fish. Okay, give her some. Can I continue now? Okay. As I was saying, here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 5 South American. Please tell me again. Maybe she wants to say something. Come on, Sandra. What did she say? She said we are not yet done with wine. Oh, there's one more missing object. Are you sure about that, Sandra? Okay, let's ask Isis. Ate, is there one more? Huh? Two more? Okay, let's ask the audience to be fair. Hey guys, is there one more missing object? Are you sure? Oh no, you made Isis so sad. Look at you. Sandra, let's bet. If there's one more missing object, would you please tell Isis what that is? It's a gun. Are you right, Sandra? That's it, it's a gun. Let's go. Vamos. It's a mission impossible. Alright guys, let's go. Ooh. Is it there? Nothing? Well, keep on looking. Oh, come on, don't stretch towards fingers. Keep on searching. Keep on crawling. Come on guys, let's find that destroying gun. Sounds like that's too big. Alright, let's ask them. So, trainers, ladies, stand aside if you can. Still nothing? Come on, guys, what are you doing? Keep on looking. Hey! I said keep on looking. Trainer JD, let's ask Ice first. Is there one more? Wala talaga. Wala daw. So what, Sandra, tell us. What did you say? She found it. Don't prove it to us. Isis, did something with my gun? No? No, wala daw. Come on, Sandra. And there she is. She found it. A round of applause for Sandra. Mission accomplished. Oh guys, wait, and another one for us as well. Cheer up, come on guys. Ay, malakas na po. Come on, Isis smile. Now we've come to the part of the show. We're going to invite one lucky audience here on stage and meet Isis up close. Okay, this time. Would you like to see a dance number from our select friends? Come on guys, first energy. Would you love to see them dance? Well, music maestro. Let's do this.
and round. And now the other side, round and round. Come on guys, let's do that. Boogie, boogie, shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake those booties. Shake it, trainers. Yeah. Come on. Keep on rolling. Alright, ladies, show them what you got. People in the crowd, ready or coming up. Well, this is the best part. Steady. Arriba. And for the fifth. Steady, ladies. Come on, let's go. Yay! Around that one for Isis and Sandra. And for the trainers as well, that waits at slumber. Thanks. Thank you so much, ladies and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at the Quantum with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lions, Isis and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that one here and that greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, can survive in flash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we're the steward of our planet and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Isis and Trainer JB, Sandra and Trainer Jerry, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon.